tornadoes are going on. What the fuck is going on? Huh? A severe thunderstorm.
For the following county, Trumbull, Ohio.
I caught that. What's going on? There's a severe thunderstorm warning. Did you go off? No, because someone unplugged you. These fucking idiots, brother. I'm plugging my stuff. Bro. Brother. Just turn everything back on. Eat. Yep. Bro, this thing works again.
To 10 miles per hour.
What the fuck? This thing had a dead capacitor. Now it's working. Bro. It's fucking weird, yo. What is there? A severe thunder storm warning. Who the fuck put this goddamn... Who the fuck put this fucking thing on tone?
Saturday.
Yeah. Why didn't
In
you
the
go
upper
off?
70s.
Garbage fucking slut. Yeah, garbage bitch. Oh, you have a broken antenna, my guy. Oh, you did go off. Sorry, buddy. You did go off. I'm just blind as fuck. Severe thunderstorm warning. Yup. He did not go off, sadly, but because the batteries are dead in that guy. This guy somehow brought itself. Huh? This thing was just working a few seconds ago, my guy.
7 miles an hour. The pressure was 29.75 inches and rising.
Bro, you saw this thing was working in a second. This thing was working a second ago.
Thunder was reported with
Severe thunder... Bro, this stupid ass dog whistle, bro. We got severe thunderstorm warning for...
Cleveland. It was mostly cloudy.
Okay. This guy was just working. Y'all fucking saw that, right? I am not tripping y'all.
Of 7.
That's pretty sick. Yeah. Okay, the washer's about to go.